Come test drive the 2023 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.